Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to study here this in NCERT math book, this math magic. This second chapter. In this second chapter, counting in groups. So this next point, join the dots. Jojo doggy is hungry. Here one doggy. Name is Jojo. Jojo doggy is hungry. Join the dots in order from 21 to 52 and find out what is hidden from him to eat. Here are some dots given and numbers also given. Then you join these dots in order from which order? From 21 to serial order in 52, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. In this type you join up to this 52 and find out what is hidden for him to eat. Then you find out here hidden. You find out to which food items to eat this doggy Jojo. Then next one, naughty Bhru. Bhru has torn some pages of this book. Bhru torn some pages of this book and write these page numbers in the correct order. He torn pages 7 and these pages you write in serial order. Here 48 second number page this, then first one is 47, then 47, 48, here 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 47 to 53 write in serial order. Puzzling tale, next one see. Chipku rat has a long tail. Rat name is Chipku. Chipku rat has long tail. When he was sleeping, naughty cat, this naughty cat and this Chipku rat, his tail, cat thought of tying his tail to the poles. She started from the pole with the biggest number and she moved onto the smaller number in order. Help her in tying, but the tail should not cross itself anywhere. This number started from with the biggest number and she moved on to the smaller numbers in order. Starts from this biggest number 30, biggest number here 39, 37, 35, 33, then here 39, 37, 36, 35, then 34, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27. Write these numbers in serial order from biggest number to this smallest number. Next one is the big carrot. An old man planted a carrot seed. The carrot grew big and sweet and it grew very, very big. He tried to pull out the carrot but it did not come out. Then he quickly called his wife. The old man pulled the carrot leaves and the old woman pulled him, but they could not pull it out. So this carrot grew big and sweet. It grew very, very big and not pulled it out. The old woman called her granddaughter. The old man, the old woman and the granddaughter, these three tried out, could not pull this carrot out. The granddaughter called the dog. The old man, his wife and granddaughter and the dog could not pull this carrot out again. This the cat called the mouse. Afterwards, this cat called the mouse. They all pulled hard together and the carrot came out. Zoom boom, and they all fell down. Then zoom boom, jhaboom. They were so excited, so they all went to the kitchen to make the gajra ka halwa and ate it. They all pulled hard together. They dog, granddaughter, then this old woman, old man, dog, all they all pulled hard together, and this carrot is came out. And carrot said, I am the strongest. Then look at the picture and write this. Here questions given. How many are pulling this carrot out? How many are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Who was the first one to pull it? This old man. The cat is dash in the line. Cat number 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth in line. Then who was the fourth one to pull the carrot? Who was fourth one here? Dog. Make a cap on the third one in the line. Third one, this granddaughter. And you make here cap on third one who is third in line. Then you make here a cap. See next one, Seema's century. See this Seema's century. Here different types of bindis, and she has made a design by using these different types of bindis. Look at the groups and guess the total number of bindis. You count these all the bindis. Then how many total number of bindis? Here this 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here this group of 10. Here also 10. All these groups are in 10 bindis. Then how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 groups. Then 8 means here in one group 10 bindis. Then 8 into 10, 80. Then draw more groups to complete the 100 bindis. Then how many more bindis did you have to draw? Here 8 groups of bindis, and in each group 10 bindis. Then here 8 into 10, 80. Then draw more groups to complete these 100 bindis. You complete these 100 bindis, then how many more bindis did you have to draw? 100 into 80 minus 80, 20 bindis. Again, see, want to complete these 100 bindis to add these 20 bindis. Third one chapter, see. How much can you carry? How much can you carry? The clever donkey and his heavy sack. Sandesh has a clever donkey, and it carries this heavy sack full of salt on its back. This donkey carries this heavy sacks, and it is this full of this salt. On the way to the market, they have to cross a big river. They cross to the big river. One day while crossing this river, this donkey slipped and it fell into the river. When crossing this river, this donkey slipped and fell into the river. Then when it got up, the heavy sacks felt very light because the sacks filled with this salt, and when he slipped, fell down into the river, then this salt dissolved in water, and when it got up, the sacks felt very light. Guess why the heavy sacks felt lighter? The donkey was very happy. This also gave it an idea. Next day also, while crossing this river, the clever donkey decided to take a dip. This time Sandesh understood the clever donkey's trick, and let me teach a lesson. Then next day Sandesh understood this donkey's trick, and he said, I will teach it a lesson. Next day Sandesh put these heavy sacks of woolen cloth in piece of salt, in a place of this salt. Next day Sandesh put these sacks of woolen cloth. Now what would happen to this clever donkey when it dipped into the river, and why? When it dipped into the river, this cotton cloth make heavy. Then next story, this Raju wants to ride a seesaw. This next one story tomorrow.